Assuming you invested $200 in Ethereum Classic Coin in January 2017, your $200 investment is now worth more than $5,000 at the time of this video's recording. Ethereum Classic was priced at $1.02 at the time. Patience is the key to becoming a millionaire or creating wealth. Those who invest must be patient. In this video, we compiled various Ethereum Classic price predictions from professionals, and based on what they all predict, Ethereum Classic will continue to make huge profits for investors, especially those willing to invest and wait a few years. With a live market cap of $3,450,331,540, the current coin market cap ranking is number 38. According to Digital Coin Price, Ethereum could trade at a median of $59.836 by ending 2022 and $69.739 by the end of 2025. CoinMarket Ethereum Classic Forecast. The connection between IOC and Ethereum Classic may result in the altcoin receiving a green light in the not-too-distant future. According to Coinpedia, assuming the organization becomes dynamic with IOC chipping away at it, the etc. cost for the year could reach a high of $110.252. Forecast for Cryptonic Ethereum Classic. Even though it is currently trading at $25.27 per coin, Ethereum Classic's price could reach $92 before the end of the year. Digital Coin Price forecasts the price of Ethereum Classic. CoinMarket has updated its etc. value forecast, predicting that the token will reach a high of $65.521. In reality, they acknowledge that market pattern inversions would lower the price to $49.756. Furthermore, under normal trading conditions, it would end up exchanging at $59.5681. The price will eventually rise to a maximum of $195.248, according to the website. The average and lowest probabilities by the end of 2025 will be $69.586 and $49.96, respectively. Investors can use Ethereum Classic Prediction Wallet. The price of Ethereum Classic will fall, but it may regain its lost energy before the end of 2022, effectively swinging around $284.50. Prediction for Ethereum Classic on crypto ground. As a result, if the price triples in 6 years, say by 2025, a clear meeting should occur around $262. The Reddit community's Ethereum Classic prediction etc., which is based on an intelligent calculation, has both short-term and long-term potential benefits. By the end of 2025, the price could have risen to $362. Coin price advancement Ethereum Classic prediction, for example, is expected to outperform the assumptions. By 2025, the price of Ethereum Classic will have surpassed the $278 mark. Coin price forecast and so on is expected to rise to $341 in the next 5 years. Like, share, subscribe, and please leave your prediction in the comments section.